There's a lot of topics that employers should avoid asking job applicants about. Some of these include your gender identity, your marital status, your disability status. This can include your sexual orientation or your status as a veteran as well. It is usually typical that when you're applying for a job, that salary is one of the topics you discuss with your future employer. However, your employer should not ask you about your salary history. Instead, when discussing what your salary should be for your new role, they should focus on things like the job qualifications and job history instead of discussing that applicant's salary history. New York employers are typically not allowed to ask about an applicant's criminal history. They typically can do background checks after a candidate has been hired, and they're required to share the results of that background check as well as their analysis related to that background check with the applicant. There are exceptions, however. You can ask about an employee's or applicant's criminal history if it is directly related to the job at hand. It is not permissible for employers to ask an applicant about their religious beliefs. There's only one exception to this, and that is if religion is a qualification of the job that you're applying to, such as working at a church or a synagogue or something of that nature. Employers can also not ask about your weekend availability if the answer to that question would reveal obligations related to your religious practices. Employers are only allowed to ask about a job applicant's age in order to comply with the law if they have individuals working for them that are under the age of 18. Other than that, it is not permissible for employers to ask an applicant about their age.